Hello guys, welcome back to another video, NoFear Survival. And today, we're done, and we're done killing the Ender Dragon. Next step, the weather. I have made a nice little shrine with the egg. Guess what's going on here? Right here? To your guess. Sorry, Piggy Pig, I had to kill you. Get out of your pen. I was doing a little bit of work off. All I did basically was off was that and over here. Bunnies, get out of here! You wanna know what this is, don't you? About to find out. Ready? Let's go! Do. Ouch! Oh, I gotta fix that. I gotta stop pushing. I gotta push it and let go. Mob spawner. We are working on the mob spawner. I watched a video of how to do this. Now, I'm doing it myself. 9x9 area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 each direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why I have a lot of cobblestone, because I knew I was going to have to go do something like this. Oop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right there. Just block off all this. There's a button there. There's a button there, of course. It's 9 direct direction. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, come on. Yep, no, there it is. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right to here. Man, all this. I think Texas is right next to the end area, so I'm gonna find a lot. Oh, fell. Oh, where's my cup? There it is. Can't get direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Try to get that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Need to go. 1, 2, 3 down. Need to go 3 down, and the roof. Doing this right now. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh. I have to clear a lot of this out. I'll be back when it's all cleared out, guys. Okay, I'll be right back when it's all cleared out. Hello, guys. Welcome back. I'm sorry I did that wrong. I just realized I looked up the video again. And I saw you had to go 4 out in each direction, and that'd be 9x9. That would kind of else. I thought you meant 9x9, like 9 out, 9 out, 9 out, like 9 out away from it. But now I fixed it up. So, water. 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 Glam. We're loving this Depth Strider. Water. And let's see, one right in the middle. Yep. And now I'm at 1, 2. So I want to face this way so I remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 8. Go out 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. They'll die in this block, but I don't want them to die in that block. Ooh, where was it again? I have to go back up. Oh, don't worry. I already put torch where I was. That way. Okay, it's this way then. It's 8. Remember. I'm gonna need ladders again. Oh, I'm hoping I didn't put those away. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Place ladders here. Don't go straight up. I got rid of the ladders. Okay, finish up here. Close that a little bit so I have some room. Okay. I killed myself for a reason. Mobs are burning in my farm. I'll deal with him later. Stairs and put the stuff away. Okay, so zone. You. Gonna keep a stack of that. Dirt. You. Coal. Ooh. Miscellaneous. There we go. I need a hopper, so I need a chest and some iron. I know I'm probably got one too many. It goes right there. And also I need a regular chest too. There we go. I don't even need this wood, so let's go put it back. How? Why couldn't I jump there? Not sure why. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'm actually so happy I didn't have to move this thing right here. I forgot I moved the water though. I forgot the damn ladders. Damn it. Can't believe I've got the goddamn ladders. The reason I want to go back, I'll still clear my inventory out too. You guys are probably yelling at me. You forgot the ladders. You forgot the ladders. What are you doing? You forgot the ladders. I have feels, trust me. Come on. Ooh. Ladders. Mine. What? Okay, I was a little. Oh, damn. I don't care with the iron. Mm, minus a little bit here. Should have got a double chest. I was thinking no. So they shouldn't die on this one right here. There we go. Should I can hit them. I got another chest. I can hit them right there. Punch them. 1, 2. I'm at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Far away from here. Let's see. I'm gonna see if it kills them. If it does, then it's GG for me, pretty much. Yeah, it's 23. It's only falling. There's 2, 21. Let's hope that kills them. If it doesn't, then we have to move it down one. Test it out. Wait a tiny bit. Wait a tiny bit. Oh, I forgot about the berry zone. We have to put half slabs. Let's go down to the bottom, see if they're dead. If they're dead, then we have to move it up one. Oh, I forgot to fix it. See. Back up there. I forgot to fix it. Okay, go back up there and do it again. I'm gonna spawn one more time. Let's wait. One more time. I'm gonna AFK here for a sec, guys. Like later. I just want to see if it's working. Okay, spawned. One down. Oh, I just hit the limit. One, two, three, four. One, two. One, two, three. You can't make it even, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yeah. Now it's they can suck it out. Gotta move down one. Here, other sides, some other directions. Okay, let's go try it again. And spawn again. Dude, one more time. Come on, we got this. I moved down one block. If it's not working, I'll just put strength on. Play AFK here for at least half an hour. Come back. See how it's doing down there. And hope to God that they're not insane. Like, insane lag. Swag, like a crash kind of lag. To where I can't play the server anymore. Play this world anymore kind of lag. Just put something here that makes sure they can see me. I should. Put some glass into it. Let's go down to the bottom. From that baby zombie, I got his pants. How am I gonna fit in those? Basically a 2-hit. I wanna kill that guy. I'm not legitimately gonna actually do this. Okay, I think that's good. All I do is basically get his strength. Could get strength. Yeah, get strength. Yeah, that's basically strength. AFK here. Punch the heck out of them. But do want to build one thing, so I'm gonna do slash. Kill again. Oop. Okay. Put this crappy armor away. Get away. The redstone. This. I need to grab another chest. Anything else? Anything else I would need to grab? I should make a rotten flesh one to where it grabs rotten flesh. And make a one where it grabs items. Nah. Be fine. Double chest will be fine. So I'm gonna use strength potion. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna need basically. Oh, damn! I know I forgot one thing. Slash. I need to make that spawner to make sure they can see me, kind of thing. So I need some glass. I have some glass. I don't need a lot. I just need some. There, now I'm done. That's all I need to grab. I'm out of ender pearls. Out of Andy pearls. Pearls. I'm out of Andy pearls. Out of Andy pearls. Andy pearls. My examinatory. I have one here. 2 hit, basically. Yeah. I think I'm gonna AFK there now. I should get half slab. The baby ones that spawn. Yeah, I should. I'll grab a half slab. I want to make cobblestone half slab easier. There's a lot of rotten flesh in this thing. Okay. I think that's all I'm gonna need. Five? Holy crap. I want to get check out my villagers. There's a zombie here. Oh, such a funny noise. Leave my zombie villagers alone. Ooh, full gold zombie. Enchanted full gold zombie. Ooh, what was nice. Projile. He was ready for a skeleton. Guy was ready for a skeleton, tell you that much. And he has an iron sword. Ooh, problem. Let's see what happens when. Oh, okay, eventually sorts itself out. Wait, go down there, get to the bottom. Place the hat slab. It's not even a point having that glass. I have to fix this. Gotta go one direction, mine off. Mine some cobblestone. You find that goddamn noise. Oh, it's lava above me. We found it. Explore this way here. Found lapis. Could find some diamonds in here. Just caused by me. I never I came down here and placed it. Look at that. Found me some diamonds. 7. No. More diamonds. Because iron too. Because in the future I'm gonna need to make some iron blocks. Man. Where is he? I'll murder him. I'll stab him. Sharp, really sharp sword. Doing some quick little mining. Oh, there he is, running in circles. And now, dead. Was he holding his own? Was he holding his own? Oh, ow! He put me on fire. That hurts. That was loud. That. It was like I can't even copy it. It was an Enderman. Before I think it's too crazy, anything else gets crazier. Mixing up down here. Some of them are dying on impact. Only a few are surviving. Oopsie, didn't mean to do that. There we go, and punch them there. Half lab. Here. Here. Punch, punch, punch. The babies can't get you. No one can get you. There you go. Now let's go AFK. To get up there. AFK. I want some. Not too much lights going in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back. I'll be right back. In about, it should say 11 o'clock, 11:05 down there in the bottom right. By the time I'm back, I'll see you guys. Hi guys, welcome back. AFK here for about half an hour. Oh my god. The FPS. Oh, look at this. Okay, well, I want you to look at my FPS. So it's 49, 42. I look at that. 9. They're killing loud. It's so loud. Oh guys, this is torture. Spam the button. I'm just spamming the button as hard as I can. Can't go any harder than this. I'm going as fast as I can. I think it's finally calming down. There's a chicken in there. Oh, it must be a chicken jockey. That guy took a while to float down. Oh, chicken jockey's in there. I'm level 30. Okay. It's all done cycling through. It's all of them. This is all stuff I got. Prot 2. Prot 3. Holy crap, almost Prot 4. Let's take all of it. And I got lots of levels. That was insane. Probably doing a lot of that off camera. Next time, I'm gonna try killing them with my sword. So I don't really need strength. So yeah, next time I'm gonna try killing them with my sword. I'm probably gonna get a lot more stuff. If I kill them with my sword, because I was looting through on it. Looting 3 times. I fish it times the chances by 3 for dropping this kind of stuff. Prot 3. What was Prot 4? Crap. I can see my iron stand. Well, it's time to do combining. And level 2. 32. do want to enchant. First, let's get all this stuff away. Let's go to armor. It's a bucket. Go to food. Potatoes. I don't want potatoes. Mob drops. You. You. Get rid of you too. Redstone. Ladder. Cobblestone. Glass bottle. Iron shovel. Need some sticks. One. Enchanting. These are here. So I'm gonna go do 9. And this is down, so you can go away. Doing a lot of this off camera. Combining with this. Plant a flame my bow. I'll do combining later after I've done all enchanting. I'm gonna put it back in there. Oh, it's gone. Yeah. Let's go take a look at it. I'm gonna enchant one of the weapons right now. Combining is all last. Breaking 3. I need to say efficiency 1. Breaking 3. Breaking 3. We can do pickaxe first. Fortune 3. Damn it. I'm breaking 3. Fortune 3. Use that just for straight up mining diamonds. Alright, like that. I could have you for later. Gotta make a new pick. I need efficiency 4 on it. Any efficiency like diamond pick, any efficiency or diamond shovels or diamond axes. The swords. I need 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I said I only need 2. Cause I'm getting this stuff to efficiency 5. I have the most sharpness 5, power 5. I want to get the rest of this 5, not stop size. And you can't get prop 5, trust me. I wish you could. You can't. It's basically the best armor in the game. Okay, there we go. I could go another. I can end the video going to another quickly. Going to another, getting some quartz. Going to pick one because I just want to hit level 30, enchant one more time. Then after I enchant that last time, I'm going to go AFK at the spawner. There you go. Almost level 30 already. Imagine how fast things gonna mine with efficiency 5. See any mob I kill. Okay. Aw, baby little baby one. That little baby drops so much rotten flesh. So close leveling up. Come on, level 30. Level 30. Come here, you jag! Yeah, yeah, ouch. Go up there. I see him, I punch him, he punches me, he's like, how dare you hit me? Dare you touch me? Da 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 da. No. I was hoping to get level 30 by doing that. Oh, that just for crap. Doing all that just for crap. Doing all that just for crap. Okay, see, maybe I can find some wither skeletons there too, here too. Just getting gassed. Eh, he's running. Oh, scared the crap out of me. Oh, howdy, partner. I did it, boys. Do a quick little look around for wither skeletons. He dropped his sword. Of course he would drop his stone sword, but not his freaking head. Give me your head, not your soul. Yeah, I'm gonna have to end the search there. Quick, I'm gonna end it up. This is exactly how I'm gonna end it all. Let's go, boyo. Let's go, boyo. Let's go, boyo. Whoa! Chat. Empty up inventory and end the video there. Yes! Exactly what I want. Wait a minute. This one has silk touch. I'd rather have a silk touch sword than a silk touch axe. How would I switch these around? The other way. Silk touch. Yeah, this one's better. Resistance C5 and breaking 3, fortune 3. Okay. So goes there first. Okay, so there we go. Let's go on. We're going down. We're going down. Tell the world. Oh, nothing. I'll sing the song. Okay. Yeah. You. Weapons. You. 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 More drops. You. Here. You. Oh. I should make some strength too. I'm going home. Tell the world that I'm coming home. Today, as the soul of yesterday. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get some glowstone, and I'm gonna make some potions. And I'll be seeing you guys, well, later. If you guys enjoyed this video, please. Making 6 days. Hit 6. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I will be seeing you on the next one. Later, guys.